don't we have a green one? Really?
Because I killed green ones.
Oh, we do. Okay.
Alright.
Yes. Where's he at?
I don't know. Ah, he's right next to me!
Trying to catch up. Does he do that much damage or no?
Not really. Actually, I take that back. Take the brunt for me.
Get out of my way.
Get him!
Tank. Oh, jeez. No. Just run. Just keep on running. No. No.
No!
No.
No!
No.
No!
Come on, teleport back to me. Come on, come on, come on. How come I can't spawn? Teleport back to me. Come on, come on. Yes.
Nope, he's gone. Did he
No,
teleport back to you?
I have him. I have him.
Trying to catch him on fire.
Oh my god. The slimes, the slimes. The pain.
No! Kill him! No! Oh.
He's gone.
I don't want to talk about him.
He was on red. Like a little sliver.
A little sliver, yeah. I'm depressed. We would have survived if it wasn't for all those funny slimes. We should have put a campfire or something. We should have put a campfire, man.